Here's the Nomos Neomatik 42 Sports in black. A really beautiful, incredibly highly legible watch. It's also available with sunburst blue and a couple of other colors in different sizes. But one of the notable things about the Neomatik 42 is it's a 1,000-foot deep screw-down crown, highly legible, really sharp, clean sports watch. The indices are painted, but are set in little, almost hollows, where the numbers go, giving it an almost applied indicator look. It has a very, very nice movement in-house. Glashütte, the company is from Glashütte, and so has that lovely Glashütte style. And it is a in-house movement and very well made.